Okay, so foodies, you see I flipped him over and we've got him brown there. A little golden brown is how I like it. I don't like it burnt and I don't like it over brown. This is how I like it. You brown it the way you guys like it, okay? There, a little golden brown is how I like it. I don't like it burnt and I don't like it over brown. This is how I like it. You brown it the way you guys like it, okay? So there we go. All right, so now I've browned the other side. I've got my seasonings in here. I've got my seasonings in. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add our wine and broth right in, just like that. Just put him in on both sides, get him in there just like that, and that's all there is to it. And then what we're gonna do is put the lid on him, and we're gonna cook him for on high, about 6 hours to 7. And okay, foodies, so here we go. We've got Ant's plate. Look, we got him half a baked potato. We've got some beautiful cauliflower and broccoli, and there's some beautiful pieces of meat. So there we have it. Make a brisket today. You'll enjoy it and do it the easy way. In the slow cooker. If not, do it in your oven, in a nice Dutch oven. Okay? So this is Peter Carpizzo's always wishing you all the best, and I am out.